Hello, I'm Lavinia. I am from XWiki. I worked there for already 7 years. Now I'm in the Cool Days. It's a really cool event. We are here in Budapest, and I had the chance to talk a lot of interesting things with people from all around the world. So I came here at the Collabora invitation, so thank you very much for that. We, as a XWiki company, have an integration with Collabora. I came here to present something about how it works and all the benefits that we have from this integration. On a wiki instance, you have pages with your own content, all sorts of information, comments, but you have the attachment section. On this attachment section, you can upload whatever you want, and you can have Office attachments. What was missing was the possibility to edit such attachments, and here Collabora came with what was missing. So now you have the possibility to edit these attachments in Collabora. From XWiki, you are redirected to a fully featured editor with everything that Collabora has to offer. There you can edit everything you want, or just view, maybe there's a PDF. You can enjoy the integration. So I've been in a workshop about integrating with Collabora. We did this integration like 2 years ago, and it was really cool to see what was going on since we did the integration. I saw lots of things that were added that I've noted things down to check them when I get back on my laptop. Other things that I really liked in these workshops were the best practices, advices that we were given, what should be the length of the access token in Collabora, some headers that we are supposed to be using that are really important for debugging purposes. So yeah, it was really interesting.
Hope to see you next year.
Yeah, hopefully yes. So see you. Thank you too for the event.